Good afternoon, good afternoon. How you all doing? Well, it's Mitchy Boo back. It's Friday and I'm gonna do some curry chicken for dinner today. So join me in the kitchen. Hope you like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. Looking after some curry chicken today. So I have already cut up the chicken. So I'm gonna wash it in some vinegar and water, and then when I'm finished washing it, I'll come back and then you'll see when I'm seasoning it. Some all-purpose season which I purchased in Australia from Master Foods from the supermarket. I have some season that I blend up already, so I'm gonna pour it, and then I have some ginger, I have another set which I cut up, so I'm gonna add that to it. Ginger, garlic, onion, and I'm going to mix these up. I don't cook with a whole lot of salt. I'm gonna add some curry in it. That's the better pack curry from Jamaica. That's what I'm gonna put in there. And I have some Irish potato and carrot which I cut up. So I'm gonna put them in it as soon as I start to cook it. And guys, I'm not cooking it on the stove today. I'm gonna be cooking it in my Russell Hub spot. So I'm gonna put the curry in it now. And then I'm gonna rub it up together and then leave it to soak a bit so it's marinated properly, and then I'm gonna come back and cook it. Looks yummy already. So guys, I'm gonna leave this to soak a bit. I'm gonna cover it with some cling wrap, and I'll see you when I'm ready to cook it. Put the oil in already, and I'm gonna put a little bit of curry, but I'm gonna turn on the Russell pot and I'm gonna put it on saute before I start the currying it. So I'm gonna put a bit of curry in. Looking good. It's almost time to add the curry chicken into it. Almost time. Take the cling wrap off and get the chicken into the rest of the spot. The Irish potato and the carrots to it now, because it's almost time to close the pot. I'm gonna add them. See how beautiful it looks. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the blend seasoning that I blend in the NutriBullet. I'm gonna pour it on top of it. Look how yummy it looks already, and it's not finished yet. Yum yum. I wish all my subscribers could get some of this dinner.
Just in time. Curried chicken. Look at the chicken in the back. He's missing out. Next time, Mr. Rooster.
Hold on. Keep it going. Come Tony, give them a closer look. I'm just gonna cover it now.
I don't want to get too close. I don't want to eat my dinner.
I'm gonna close.
Lid on.
Then I'm gonna press clear it and then press curry, and it's gonna do for 30 minutes, and it will be as lovely as you cook it on the stove, trust me.
Oh, very nice.
I know your favorite is curry.
My favourite's you, then curry. But don't tell everybody, alright? Keep that a secret, everyone.
It's no more secret.
Huh?
So I'm peeling some carrots, which I'm gonna shred with some cabbage. Once I'm finished with the shredding of the cabbage, I'll show you what it looks like. 30 minutes to go before the curry chicken is finished, but I'm gonna do some pumpkin and rice so we can have for dinner with it. So I've shredded the pumpkin already, and I'm gonna put it in the pot. Then I'm gonna light the stove, and I'm gonna cover this and let it cook until the water is yellow. Then I'm gonna wash my rice and I'm gonna add it to it. Cabbage already. And I'm just gonna shred this. In Jamaica, we always serve cabbage, raw cabbage, with shredded carrot, tomato, and a little bit of vinegar for a salad with the meal. Now I'm gonna add a piece of spring onion. We call it in Jamaica scallion, and a little butter. Let it cook a little, and then maybe 5 more minutes. Then I'll wash my rice and I'll put in it, and then I'll show you guys how it turns out. I've washed my rice already. I'm gonna put the rice in. I've added salt already. So when you're doing it, you add the salt to how you would like to taste your rice. So I'm just gonna cover it, and then I'm gonna look after the salad, finish up the salad. And don't forget to use your gloves. It's very handy in the kitchen, especially when you're cooking curry and you have on tips. I have finished cutting up the cucumbers. Well, in Jamaica we say cucumber. It's patwa. So I'm gonna add it to my shredded cabbage, carrot, and then I'm gonna use some vinegar, a little olive oil, and a dash of sugar in it. Guys, I'm gonna check the curry chicken to see if it's finished. Wow, look at that. Look at that. It's yummy. Look at this. Mouth watering. Dinner is served. This is what the dinner looks like.
Another yummy dinner for Friday night.
So I'm gonna have my dinner now. Don't forget to subscribe. Give a
Thumbs up.
Have a good evening, everyone, and thanks for watching. See you next week.